So once again, no sign of the kingfisher. There's not a lot of action going on today. And also right now, because of where the hide sits, it's lost a lot of light now, as you can see. So even if a kingfisher did come out, it wouldn't be fantastic from this point of view. But I want to pack up now and head back up the path and get back into some light. So it looks like I'll just be shooting blue tits and wrens and robins today, but I'll put some of them up in the video for you to have a look. See you in a minute. Well, that's it for another day down here. Hope you enjoy the images I managed to take. So I caught one rare bird, but I'm not sure what it was. But unluckily, the camera wouldn't focus on it, so I'll have to see what it is, and then we'll come back and try and get some photos of that one. And hopefully the kingfisher. But I have to wait for around April time to August for them to obviously start mating, and they'll be out looking for fish for their young. So and hopefully I'll get down there early in the morning as well. So I want to try and get the barn owl again at some point. But so if you like my images in the video, please give us a like, comment. It's all handy for my channel to progress and everything, so I'd like to just keep doing this, even if it is just a local wildlife patch. There is some good birds and mammals and stuff down here, so yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you again very soon. Take care.